Hi, Hawaii team. I'm going to show you how to manage the Mohala Kapua groups. So I've logged into your court. I'm just going to take a random participant, so I'll just go to the first person, Ashley here. I'm going to click on her name. Okay. So let's say that she's going to attend Module 1, her first class. So what I want you to do is go up to the individual menu and slide down to ancillary services and treatment groups. Now you're going to hit ancillary service group, okay? Go in here and find module 1, okay? And whoever the provider is, if it's the court, you might want to have put other here and put court. But you can put whatever provider you need to in there. If you want to put in a funding source, if there's a cost associated, you can do that too. Okay, so now method of delivery, hopefully in person. You have ordered, let's see, you have ordered 4 classes, okay, and she has attended 1, okay. Now, let's say you assigned this on the 6th. The start date was on the 6th, and she actually doesn't have an end date yet. Now, this is going to be in progress because she's got to do 4 classes, but she has completed 1, okay? And I don't know how many hours it is. You guys can adjust for that. So I would just write here on 3/6, attended 2 sessions, and then you can put in notes, whatever you want to put in here to track that. Or maybe she attended 1 session, attended first session, and no showed second. Okay, so whatever notes you want to put there, now I'm going to hit save. So now you have recorded the first class of module 1. Okay, now let's jump ahead to the 13th. Okay, now we're going to come in and we're going to hit edit. And now you've ordered that 4, but now she has attended 2. Okay, and now she's completed 2 hours. So we're going to go down here and we're going to say on 3/13 she attended 2 sessions. Okay, so you're going to continue to do this. Eventually when she comes in to have her 4th class, okay, you would come in, hit edit. Now, you know, let's say 3rd one has been done. This is her 4th, so now she's attended 4. And then you can put the end date in here. She's completed 4 hours, okay? So now you've got her completed, okay? So that's how you would run this session. Now, next you would go in and hit add ancillary services, service type. Then you would go look for Mohala Kapua Module 2 and start her on Module 2 and do the same thing. There were 4 classes ordered, and then start tracking that attendance. Now you guys, you also wanted this as part of the report, okay? So let's just go in real briefly and run a report. Let's run a staff report and I'll show you what that's going to look like. And we'll just put the 13th in here, hit submit. So these are the 2 that you're expecting. We didn't do anything with Brandy, so I'm going to just take her off of there. And we'll open up this report. I changed the way your staff report looks a little bit, but I think it will be okay here. So let's just take a look. This will take just a second to load, but I think this will be what you want. And then not only are you tracking these, but in the back end, the system will be able to tell you, you know, how many hours they've spent in these different groups. And by the way, you guys, in that ancillary service and treatment groups, that's a customizable menu. So you saw how I put your Mohala Kapua name in there. You can put anything you want in there. So if you want to track medical visits, or you want to track DBT, or maybe somebody is in domestic violence classes, you can do all of that right there, and you can have all of that show up in your menu. This has taken just a minute to load, but that's okay. We'll be patient and wait for that. So yes, the ancillary services piece is really helpful. You guys should use that and start tracking things people are going to. Okay, I'm going to blow this up a little bit. Let's look at what we have. So there's all the tasks that have been assigned to her: substance testing, staffing notes, court report, notes, more notes. Here's those ancillary services, okay? So you can see she was referred to the Mohala Kapua Module 1 on 3/6. She was ordered to do 4 classes. She has since attended 2. She began on the 6th. It's still in progress. On 3/6, she attended 1 session. She attended the first session and no-showed the second. Then on 3/13, she attended both sessions. So that's what this is going to look like. That's what Judge Trish will see and what you guys will see that comes out on the report. So I hope this is helpful. If you guys need anything else, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Okay.